To further improve safety and convenience, the steering wheel in your new car is fitted with a whole host of controls. This allows you to control various aspects of the car without taking your hands off the wheel and your eyes off the road. To the left of the steering wheel, as you'll probably be familiar with, there are the external lighting controls, turn signals, and service indicator. On the opposite side, you have the windshield wiper controls, screen wash, and trip computer. In the centre of the steering wheel, there is the horn and the driver's front airbag. Either side of this are the quick access controls. These comprise of the display controls, voice control and volume controls on the left, and the media selection controls, telephone menu and call control, radio station and track display, and audio source selection control on the right.
Citroën.